thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be part of the open challenge hosted by two of my friends, Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine and Lisa from lisa&company. Both of these ladies are so talented. Their channels are full of great content, amazing DIYs, great haul videos. You guys need to go ahead and check them out. You are going to thank me later. They are such an inspiration to me and I am so happy to be part of this challenge. Now today's challenge is Trash the Treasure challenge. So basically what we need to do is just find something that would normally be somebody's trash. So either something that we don't use anymore in our home to recreate and make something usable, or we can go and find something on a yard sale, thrift stores. So anything that would not be used anymore, we should go ahead and create something to be a part of a decor in our home. So I hope you will enjoy watching this video. Hope you will enjoy seeing what I made, and let's go ahead and get started.
I got this galvanized wall planter at my local thrift store for $3.99 and it was on a 30% off. So I got it even cheaper, and while I really liked it, I did not like this bow on the front. It's also made out of metal and it was kind of welded in on some places, so I was kind of worried if I'm going to be able to take it off, but I really like this planter, so I decided to take a chance on it. So first I'm taking off the label and I'm using Glue Gun to take the residue off, and after that I am taking the screwdriver and my pliers to gently take off this bow. On some spots actually it came off pretty easily, it popped right off, and then some spots were harder to take off. I had to use my pliers and it left a little pieces of this metal bow on it that I had to sand it a little bit later and try to use my pliers to cut it down to not be rough anymore and to just be safe to handle with. Next, I'm taking this burlap ribbon I got from Dollar Tree, and I want to create illusion of the burlap bag being inside of this planter and then just edges sticking out. So what I'm doing over here is just gluing one side of this ribbon on the inside, and the rest will be hanging from the outside. I did not want this planter to be too heavy, so I'm filling it up with just grocery bags. And then next I'm gonna take my flowers and my greenery that I got mostly from Dollar Tree, and some I already had on hand, and I am filling up my planter. I didn't want to glue anything down. I just literally stick the picks in the planter because I wanted to be able to change these flowers seasonally.
If you're coming from this playlist, or if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I hope you will enjoy what you see. I hope you will like my other videos as well, and maybe decide to stick around and click that red subscribe button. If you do so, don't forget to click that notification bell on that's next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos.
Next, I'm taking this wood board that originally came from Target Dollar Spot, but I got it from dirt cheap for 90% off. It was only 50 cents. I am going to use a Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white, and I'm going to be dry brushing it on this board until I reached the stress level that I really wanted. Next, I'm using Beverly chalk paint in a color truffle, and I just want to dry brush the parts where the boards meet and also the edges, and that way I want to give it some more dimension and depth. Now, I had these hooks from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna put them on my board, and that way I'm gonna attach my planter, and the bottom part of the planter sits perfectly on this board, and I just add a little hot glue just to secure it. I thought my planter looked a little bit plain, so I'm using this cotton twine from Dollar Tree, and I thread it through my needle, and I'm gonna weave it through this burlap ribbon like so. Then I decided to tie knots on both sides of the twine. And next I decided to take the same twine and create a very, very simple bow and put it on the middle of this planter. I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to leave it there or not. I just put a little dab of glue so it's not completely glued down. You tell me what you think. Should I leave the bow or take it off? But this is how my planter turned out. I really, really like it. I always wanted to have a wall planter, and I do have it now, and it was so inexpensive and so easy to make.
That is all I had for you today. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked what I created, and if you did, as always, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already part of my channel, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. If you are already part of my channel, I want to thank you for being here, for watching my videos and supporting me. There will be a playlist in the description box down below, so go ahead and click on it. That way you will see all the creators that decided to participate in this challenge, and you're gonna get many, many wonderful ideas. Also, I will link Casey's and Lisa's channel in the description box, so you can click on it and go to their channels and say hi to them. Thank you so much again. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!